Making the move to microservices is no easy task. It takes a team effort and buy-in from the entire team in order to make this migration successful. This course is designed for everyone involved in the software development lifecycle. For the managers and directors, this course should provide you with the basic knowledge of why the work associated with microservices may be worth it. I'll provide you some of the benefits of this architecture and some of the challenges your team may encounter, all while focusing on where your team and bottom line will be positively impacted by moving to this architecture. Because moving to this pattern really takes everyone's buy-in, yours is very critical for obvious reasons. While the non-technical manager may not understand all of the ins and outs of the pattern, there's a clear value in understanding the basics so you can properly empower your teams to do the work needed. To my fellow architects, this course should be a great starting point in looking at this pattern. While I cannot deliver all of the information you'll need in order to make the appropriate decisions when migrating to this architectural model, I can provide you a good baseline to supplement your existing knowledge base. You'll be exposed to the most core concepts of microservices in a way that allows you to start asking the right questions in order to make the best decisions possible for your organization. You'll also be made aware of the challenges you'll face so you can react to them more quickly. For the developers out there, this course should provide you with a great foundation to explain why you're writing the code the way that you are. You'll be exposed to the overall concepts of the pattern in a way that provides you with insight into the questions that should immediately come up when trying to solve real-world problems. You'll also be exposed to some new ways of thinking about writing software in a globally distributed marketplace. While I won't focus on how-to aspects of writing microservices, most modern languages have frameworks and patterns for delivering RESTful services that will be used in this architecture. No matter your role, in order to be successful in this course, you just need to have a desire to learn and some basic knowledge of software development. As a developer or architect, you should have some fundamental knowledge of software composition and decomposition. You need to understand basic remote network calls over HTTP in order to grasp some of the complexities associated with a microservices architecture. With that said, let's jump into some history.